CodeWithYaku, and today we'll be going over how you can install Metasploit on your Linux or Kali Linux or Ubuntu, whatever Linux operating system that you're using. And yeah, so if it's your first time coming to this channel, my name is Yaku, and I talk about cybersecurity, and I like to take approach of taking the time to explain everything. So if you have any questions or you want to just leave a comment, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if it's your first time, of course, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell. I'll be dropping many cool videos here in 2024, and I've got nice cool series coming up next, where I'll be going over all the techniques that you can use with Metasploit. So stay tuned, and let's get started. All right, guys, so we're going to install Metasploit. Metasploit is an all-time favorite for open penetration testers, and I'm going to show you guys how you install it. And this is Kali Linux, and as you can see, I do not have Metasploit. I need to install it right now. So from the link description below, I've put a set of commands which you're gonna use to install it. So first things first, you're gonna have to install it from Rapid7. So Rapid7 is a creator of Metasploit, and once you download that executable, you're going to change the mod so that you make this executable, and then we're going to run msf install. So this is what's going to install Metasploit, and it will take some time, and I'm going to pause the video and let it run in the background. So once this installs, you're going to have Metasploit on your computer, and you'll be able to do all the cool stuff with Metasploit. So Metasploit is a framework that's able to like get a hacker from just creating them or discovering the vulnerabilities, and also creating payloads and creating listeners and keeping tabs on the computers that the hacker is hacking. So it's able to create sessions and stuff like that. So this is a very cool tool. I'm going to pause the video, and when we come back, we should. All right, so while we have it installing, I just wanted to say a few things about Metasploit. Metasploit is a very powerful tool, and I would like to mention that you have to use it responsibly, and most of these features in the tool, they could be quite harmful and dangerous, and you don't want to put yourself in that situation where you are using it against somebody without their consent. So Metasploit is a very professional tool, and it's used by pen testers all over the world to test various aspects of the systems. And once we install it, I'm going to give a few demos on how. All right, guys, so it's done. So as you can see, we now have Metasploit running, and if you want to test that, you want to run your msf console, and you should be able to get autocomplete. And when you do that, you like to set up a new database, you say yes, and once you say yes to the database, it's going to create a database. So that database is going to host everything that you will be doing, or your hacking activities or your pen testing activities. If you open a session, everything is going to be stored in that session. So as you can see right now, it's initializing the database, and it's been complete. And as you can see, database initialization successful. And once it's done, you're going to see this cool banner right here, right? You're going to see this cool banner. It means that now you. All right, guys, that's it for this part of the video, and watch out for the next video where I'll be showing you how to do simple hacking with Metasploit. So this is going to be a cool video, and I'll show you how hackers can really take over your phone, your Android phone or whatever, or your computer, using Metasploit. And until then, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe and give it a like if you like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.